Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. What is this abode that you are teaching to the fortunate? How is the way of the path we enter blissful? How do we discontinue our work on our methods? What is the way we are to apply our knowledge? According to the Upadesha instructions on our presence, when we have reached the end, there is the Blessed One of the Sun of Wisdom. He is the Blessed One of the self-originating circle, the Blessed One of self-originating victory, and the Blessed One who has no cause and is beyond conditions. The Supreme One who has overcome the river of quests is the Tathagata, who has been pure from the primordial. He is brilliantly united with the end of the sky. He holds all of the wish-fulfilling jewels. He is the treasury of the measureless and open sky. He has no bonds or freedoms. He is a primordial Buddha. He encompasses all of the greatest of the great. He is not to be meditated on. This is the meaning of our circle. There is nothing to discuss. This is beyond words. This is, in fact, the great emptiness. It is beyond our ideas about emptiness. This self-originating sky is the embodiment of eternity. It pervades the compassion of us all. This is why, by joining our attachment to the sky, we have a middle way that is beyond extremes. The Creator of all things is the best of all the Buddhas. He comes from the sky. He is self-originating. He brings us all together into a space of effortless perfection. He brings us together. He pervaded us. He clears away our illnesses. He is the Buddha that was before all the Buddhas. He is the Lord of us all. He is astounding. Like the blazing of the great Vajra sun, He is visible to us all. We have nothing to give up or to accept. We are equal to the end of the open sky. The origin of this teaching is the transmission of perfection. It is pervasive like the sky and is present within us all. Unborn wisdom is a Vajra mind. The sphere of the lotus is the expansive space of the Dharmakāya. The three times and the timeless are the dominion of time.